The Usora cordless vacuum cleaner is a small, wireless cleaning machine that helps keep your home tidy. It has strong suction power 30 kPa that picks up dirt and pet hair easily. You don't need a cord, so you can move around without getting tangled up. It runs for 55 minutes on one full charge, which means you can clean for a long time. The touchscreen makes it simple to choose the cleaning mode you need. It works well on carpets and hard floors, making it very versatile. This vacuum cleaner is great for removing pet hair, dust, and crumbs. It is light and easy to carry, so you can clean every corner of your house. With this cleaner, cleaning becomes faster and less tiring. Even if you have no experience, you can start cleaning right away with simple controls. The vacuum also uses a 6-stage filtration system to trap even the smallest dust particles, keeping the air clean. The design helps you reach under furniture and in tight corners easily. Its special brush is designed to be tangle-free, so pet hair won't get wrapped around it. You can switch between modes for a deep clean or a quick clean, depending on your needs. The wireless feature means you don't have to plug in and plug it as you move from room to room. Overall, the Usora cordless vacuum cleaner makes your home cleaner and your life easier. Check the comments for the link to grab yours.